Hello everyone and welcome to day 5 of the Daniel's Fast. Today I'll be sharing with you a 16-bean chili recipe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. To a pot on medium-high heat, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, a half a cup of chopped onion. We're going to saute the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, followed by a half a teaspoon of parsley flakes, a half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Now we're going to add our 16-bean mix. The link for how I prepare my beans for cooking will be found in the description. I prepped about 1 cup of beans. I ended up adding 1 more tablespoon of tomato paste. Now we're going to add 2 cups of water, bring to a boil, reduce temperature to a low medium, cover and simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours. And there you have it, 16-bean chili. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Stay tuned for the verse of the day. In vain you rise early and stay up late, toiling for food to eat, for he grants sleep to those he loves. Psalms 127, verse 2. In peace I will lie down and sleep, for you alone, Lord, make me dwell in safety. Psalms 4, verse 8.